In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to filter collections using tags. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up tag-based filters so shoppers can quickly narrow down products within a collection. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Products, then select Collections. Here, you can either create a brand new collection or open an existing one. Both options work, so choose whatever fits your store today. Inside the collection, you'll see the area where products appear. If you're working with a new or mostly empty collection, add the items you want to display so the filter has relevant products to work with. Filters are only useful when the products in the collection actually carry the tags you plan to filter by. Next, look for the Filters section in the collection editor and click Add Filter. A list of available filter types will appear. Choose Tags. This tells Shopify that you want customers to filter the collection based on product tags you've assigned in your catalog. Now, select the specific tags you prefer. Pick tags that are meaningful to your customers, such as material, style, season, or any naming convention you use consistently across products. Keep in mind that the tags you choose will only show results for products in this collection that actually have those tags. For example, if you choose cotton, only products in the collection tagged with cotton will be included when shoppers apply that filter. As you select tags, aim for a clean, predictable set of names. Using consistent lowercase tags without extra spaces or typos helps avoid duplicates and makes filtering feel professional. If a tag you expect to see isn't available, it usually means none of the products in this collection currently use that exact tag. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Saving applies the filter setup to the collection. From this point, customers browsing your store will be able to refine the products in that collection using the tag filters you added. It's a simple change that can significantly improve navigation and help shoppers find what they want faster. A few quick best practices to keep in mind. Keep your tag list concise to avoid overwhelming customers. Align tag names with how your audience actually searches, and review tags periodically to remove outdated or redundant ones. That's all it takes. Open your store, go to Products and Collections, choose or create a collection, add filter, pick tags, select your tag set, and save. You're ready to offer a smoother, more focused shopping experience.